project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Hello, lovely viewers! Welcome to the Hot Sale Show! I've got some crazy deals to suit all your mini doll needs. Check it out! Is your doll looking for a new home? Look no further! Dolly will be living the life of luxury thanks to our custom-built dollhouse. Our fabulous houses come with all the latest high-tech technology. Dolly will feel right at home here. Listen to the latest hits thanks to these fantastic headphones that come as part of the home entertainment system. Your doll will be dancing all day. The super cozy bed is the perfect place to relax after busting out those sweet, sweet moves. Get your Dolls Forever home today! These deals are so good, I'm practically giving the houses away for nothing. So hurry up! I found my dream home. It's got everything that a doll could need.
It even packs away. Look! The handy strap means that it's nice and secure. It's a house that's full of surprises. My doll has never been happier.
I love it.
And so do I. It's all thanks to Sammy. It all starts with a single strip of blue cardboard.
Hey! Are we showing the viewers how to make the house? Who turned out the lights? Mayday! Ouch!
Are you okay, Sam?
Hey, who said that? This isn't funny, Sue. Get it off me. Wait, did I make a box? Wow, I'm so talented!
You sure are, Sammy. This is just what we need. This will be the wall of the house. These tabs will make it easy to fold.
We made a wall without bricks. Amazing!
Next, we need to decorate it. I'll need a black pen. We'll start with the window.
My middle name is Genius.
Next, I'll add a clock. Time for color! Pink curtains are so stylish!
You can never go wrong with pink! It's my favorite color! Step aside! Let me help you, Sue. I have a good eye for interior design. I studied it in Paris, you know. It's magnificent! A masterpiece! What do you think?
I think it's perfect, Sam.
Cool. The doll will need a nice view to look out. How about a colorful rainbow? That would be pretty. Or maybe a fluffy white cloud. Yeah, that's it. We need clouds.
Sounds good to me. Let's do it. I'll use a white pen for this part. How's that, Sammy?
Oh, so we're drawing the clouds? That makes more sense. I could look out that window all day. What of you?
It's definitely a good start, but we've got a lot more work to do. Every home needs plants. And picture frames make it feel cozy. I'm starting to get jealous.
It's too small for you, Sue. You'd need a shrink ray to live there. Hold on. I think I might have one.
It's okay, Sam.
Well, if you change your mind, let me know.
We need a rug. And I have just the thing. We'll make it colorful. What do you think of this, Sammy? Do you like it?
Try this, Sue.
Maybe later. I'm in the middle of something here. But thanks for the tip.
I want to see! Wow, it's looking great!
Yeah, but we need something else.
I have just the thing. Here you go.
Is that a nail file? We can't use that.
Tough crowd. My building block. That'll do the job.
Maybe we can… Sam, did you throw this?
Sue is being fussy. Okay, this is my last option, but I think you'll like it.
Oh, it's just the thing. And it fits perfectly, Sammy.
I've got lots more good ideas. I'm like an idea factory.
I'm sure you do. Now we need to glue the top of the house together. We don't want it to fall down. I'll stick the bottom section together as well. It needs to be nice and secure. Before we go any further, we need to check that the box folds over. Here goes. Yeah, it looks good.
I'm glad to hear that. It's a selling point of the house. Aww. That's a relief. Now where's the doll? I want to show her the house. Where did she go? Ouch! Huh? Wow, I can't believe it. This looks amazing. I feel at home already. There's so much space. Ooh, is this the bedroom? I'm gonna need a bed. This thing will be ideal. You've got good style, Sam. I'm so excited.
I think that means we're doing a good job here. Now we need to make the bed. I'm glad the doll likes this pattern. We can make a box from this piece now. Here's a headboard. I'll just stick it to the top of the bed. Now we can put it in the bedroom. This seems like a good spot.
Sue! We'll need storage space. The doll will need somewhere to put all her clothes and stuff. Luckily, I'm already on it. Well, it is on me.
But you're right. We need a set of drawers. That didn't take long, and they look cute. They can go up here. Sam even made steps. He thought of everything. Great!
I'm always 4 steps ahead. Or should I say, 4 stairs ahead. Get it, friends? I amuse myself. Ooh, what's Sue doing now? This looks interesting. Ah, it's a chair.
That's right, Sam. But this is no ordinary chair. It's a cat chair.
A cat chair? Wow, then you're going to need kitty ears for it. You can take these ones. I've got lots more.
Thanks, Sammy. These will look great on it. It's good, but something's missing. Our cat chair needs a cat face. Time to make it sparkle. This will add a little glamour, right? I made more chairs. For when the doll has friends over. Oh yeah, we'll need a table as well. And here's a laptop. We shouldn't forget about those headphones, right?
Is it ready? My very own house. It's wonderful.
Oh, there's one more thing that we need to do.
What is it?
We need to decorate the outside. I'll use pink card for this and wrap it around the box.
Oh, Sue, I've made a purple sleeve for the house. It will keep all the gadgets safe inside. Cool, right? Oh, I'm so thoughtful.
Nice work. You really did think of everything. And what do you think, friends? Do you like it?
You know what? I think it needs a little wow factor.
You're right, and I have just the thing.
Really?
Yep, we can decorate the sleeve with this, and that's it. Our cute mini house is ready for our mini doll.
And action! What a great show! Wait, take 2! Wow! What an amazing show and an even better house! Our doll friend, ouch, is going to be so happy here. All right. Sue, being a TV presenter isn't as easy as it looks. I'm exhausted.
It looks like hard work, Sam. I think I prefer crafting. Maybe we should end here. Bye, all.
That sounds like a good idea. See you soon, my dear friends, and ouch! My mustache! Well, that's all we've got time for. Bye.
Is there something wrong?
Yes, my builder. He's stuck.
Oh, in traffic?
No, in the pavement. He was pouring in concrete and he got his feet stuck.
Oh, dear.
Yes, and I've got to get a bandstand built by 2 o'clock. There's supposed to be a performance here.
Oh, yes, with Andre Arpeggio, the famous conductor.
That's the fella. Very demanding. He'll go absolutely bonkers if the bandstand isn't perfect.
Bonkers?
Yes, you know.
Oh, dear. Can't you build this bandstand yourself?
Me? Eh? No. I'm an architect. I'm not a builder. I make decisions, decide where everything goes. I don't do that bricks and sand touching thingy.
Oh, right.
No, what I need is a builder, and I need one right away.
I am so in the right place. Excuse me.
Yes?
Rebecca the Builder at your service.
Fantastic. Well, the bandstand has to be around about here, and this is what it's got to look like.
Oh, thanks.
And you'll need some tools. There we are. Lovely.
Oh, a builder's tool belt. Nice, thank you.
No props. 2 o'clock it is then. Tatty bye. Arpeggio, we can't let him see that the bandstand isn't ready.
Oh, what should we do?
I don't know, delay him, put him off, anything. Just don't let him see that the bandstand isn't ready. Remember? Bonkers. Bandstand, the bandstand, the bandstand.
Ah, Mr. Arpeggio, how lovely to see you again.
My bandstand, where is it? I want to do some licks.
Nothing to see there. Yes, your bandstand. Well, it's pretty much sorted. Yes, why don't you just go off and practice, and I will show you your lovely bandstand a little bit later.
Well, okay, but I need my bandstand ready for my performance.
Oh, yes, of course, no problem. That's it, off you go. Take care, bye-bye. Bye. Right, we need to get building, and fast. Let's see. Okay. Right, I think we need to dig a big hole for the foundations. That's important, to make sure the bandstand is really strong. Right, okay, here we go. I don't think we're going to get very far with this. We need something much bigger. Oh, I know. I remember to you. That's it. Builders use diggers to make very big holes. We need a digger. Right then. Ah. This is it. Just what I need. Okay. Right. I wonder how this thing starts. Oh, yes. Okay. All under control. Right. Now I've got a hole to dig.
Let's play.
Good. We've got a big hole. Now we need to make the foundations. A cement mixer. Great. We just need to mix that up and then pour it into the hole. It's mixing all right, but it's not going very fast. We'll never get the bandstand built at this rate. I wonder if there's a go faster button. Whoa, that's fast all right. Maybe a little too fast. Slow down now. Phew. Oh no, that's made a bit of a mess. Oh, but there's still cement in there, so let's pour it into the hole. Whoa, this is really heavy.
Let's play.
Cement going in. We'll have this bandstand up and ready in no time.
It is time.
Time for what?
Time for me to climb up onto the bandstand and check that everything is perfect for the concert.
Right. Well, it's not absolutely finished yet.
Not finished.
Almost very nearly. There's just a few little things to do. Tiny little things.
My bandstand better be finished for the performance.
Oh, yes, and it will be. Oh, what's that over there? Look. An ice cream van.
Oh, I like ice cream.
Yes. Well, why don't you get yourself one? Off you go. There you go. Foundation's in. Now time for the bricks.
Let's play.
Right, let's get building. Done. I'm not sure it looks very good. I'm not sure this is going to look like a bandstand at all. What should I do next? Oh, hold on. I remember, do you? That's it. Builders need to follow plans when they build something. I forgot to follow the plans. Right, I just need to follow what it says here. Let's do that then. Done.
Righty-ho, tutty-bye. Ah, I say, Rebecca, how's the jolly old bandstand coming along?
Not bad. I finished the first bit.
Oh, it's a bit...
Higgledy-piggledy.
Higgledy-piggledy. This really isn't going to work.
But I followed the plans. What did I do wrong? None of the bits are straight. They're all sloping over. Oh, dear. Hold on. I remember, do you? That's it. Builders use a spirit level to make sure things are both straight and level. Aha! Here it is, the spirit level. Right, let's get this fixed before Mr. Arpeggio comes back. We don't want him seeing it and him going all bongo!
Crikey, no!
Right, let's see. The spirit level is saying this one isn't straight. We need to straighten it up.
Jolly good.
Could you help me then, please?
What? Me?
Yes.
Oh, right.
Here we go. Come
Okay.
on. That's it. There we go. Yes, it's straight now.
Well done, old fruit.
Mr. Arpeggio, he's coming back.
Arpeggio. Back soon.
Come back here.
I could not find any ice cream. What is that?
Mr. Arpeggio, let me explain.
Is that the bandstand?
Yes, but...
The bandstand that I am going to stand in and play my concert?
Yes, but
it looks like this.
But let me explain.
Oh, no. I feel it. I think I'm going.
Don't go.
Bonkers! Oh, bonkers!
Arpeggio! Mr. Arpeggio! It isn't finished yet.
It isn't finished?
No!
Oh.
I need to straighten it up and put the roof on.
So you're going to straighten it and put the roof on, and it's going to be finished by 2 o'clock.
Yes, it will.
Okay.
Okay, come on. Come on, sit down over here.
Okay,
Come on.
sit it down.
That's it, come on,
yes,
relax.
Yes, relaxing.
Yes, I'll finish it off.
Yes, you finish it off. Yes, okay.
Right, I better finish this off then. Finished.
Is he
Oh, don't worry. He's not in a bonkers mood. He's asleep.
good? Well, I say, this is fantastic. You've done an amazing job.
Oh, thanks very much. He's waking up. But will he like it?
This bandstand
Yes.
is lovely. I must go and get my band. We have a concert to play. Well, that's a relief. I must say, I can't wait to see the show.
Neither can I. But hold on, I'm really dirty. I can't go to the concert looking like this. Oh, of course. I've got just the thing. The soap. Time for a quick wash.
Let's play.
Well, I'm all clean. That soap really worked. It's a great concert. I can see why Mr. Arpeggio is known as the most famous conductor in the world.
Well, thanks for all your hard work, Rebecca.
It's a pleasure. We did it. We managed to build the bandstand just in time for the concert. But we would never have done it without remembering everything we needed to know.
Builders use diggers to dig big holes. They use plans to show them what to build. And a tool called a spirit level to make sure things are straight and level.
I think it's time we went home. Bye-bye. It's been lovely meeting you.
Jolly good. Bye-bye, Builder Rebecca. Farewell, Rebecca.
Bye, Mr. Arpeggio.